my name is Wesley, and I'm all-purpose flour with some type of tapatio of GF peanut butter, purified drinking water's daughter. So what I'm doing today is my dad told me to make him a sandwich. I don't know why, it's pretty sexist. So I'm gonna make him a sandwich right now. So what you do, you want to cut some tomatoes. You know, make them little. I'm sorry, I really suck at cutting tomatoes. I've never done this before. Alright, so you just cut. What do I suck? Alright, so you cut the tomato. Oh, that one's actually pretty good. I mean, I'd eat that. So, what you want to do? So you can use either mayonnaise or like this aioli sauce. So both of these are good, but like this is like, if you're vegan, then you use like this one called aioli sauce. So well, I'm not vegan, but like screw mayonnaise. So I'm gonna get some aioli sauce. Hold up, don't record me. You know the rules. You know how you were adopted and everything. I don't want to adopt you. Okay. So you just spread the aioli sauce on the bread. It's very simple. I mean, everybody has made like a sandwich before. If you haven't, then you're pretty stupid. Alright. So what I want to do right now is like spread the aioli sauce all over the place. Sorry, I'm really bad at words. Alright. So basically the aioli sauce is almost done. Just spread a little bit. Mom, we ran out of aioli sauce. My mom's not even here. Dude, only my dad's here. Anyways, so if you don't know who's behind the camera right now, it's an idiot. His name is John. Not John Cena, to get confused. This one's actually really stupid. Alright, so let's teach you a little life hack, dude. So I hope this works, else I'm gonna look stupid. Alright, so you're not recording me, right? Dude, scoot up a little. No, you idiot, get over here. Like, alright. So what you want to do is like get the whole edge and like simply. Oh my god, I'm really bad at this. Alright, so I'm gonna go throw this in the trash. Don't record me. See how fast I can do this. Ready, set, go. I'm going pretty fast, by the way. Why are you recording the bread?
Recording the tomatoes.
No. Stop recording my tomatoes. It's not even cool.
Look, that one's name is Jimmy.
Stop.
That one's name is Rolando.
No, stop. I'm gonna smack you. Alright, so now what I want to do is like cut these things and like stop judging me. Alright, so I got these things cut, so I'm like gonna like spread it on the this. So it's gonna all around me are familiar faces. Alright, put that up. Alright, so anyways, so what we got here is some deli. Stop! I'm gonna tell Dad on you, dang. Alright, so I'm just gonna gently peel apart this cheese. The Subway struggle. I bet this is how people who work at Subway feel. Well, screw you, I work at Papa John's. Anyways, so this egg is a loner. I'm just gonna eat him. You're pretty tasty, dude. Not lying. Alright, so basically I have this, and you know, so I just taught you how to make egg salad. Sandwich. Stop judging my grammar. I'm vegan, fight me. So basically, alright, I have
That's not vegan. You have cheese in there.
Shut up.
Eggs.
Shut up. So I'm gonna take a bite of this.
That's not
No,
even
you
eating.
don't record me. Why are you recording my face?
I'm not recording your face. I'm recording the sandwich.
Did you catch a glimpse of my face?
No.
Better not have. No, stop. Just
I'm looking at tomato.
yeah, just look at the tomato.
Alright. Your name is Billy Bob.
Mm.
No, get out of the Billy Bob's way.
As you see, his sandwich is pretty good. So
Wasn't that for Dad?
boom, you should like try.
Hold on.
Oh shoot! Oh no! I'm gonna die! Alright, you better get over here! I'm gonna beat the heck out of you! No, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to think about your sandwich! No, I'm gonna beat the heck out of you! Alright, so this is my sandwich. I made this all by myself, and you can see. So, you should record the tomato, dude.
Why is the tomato so... Okay.